Hi guys, welcome. This is Deepak again. Okay, so today in the last video we'll cover that just a basic brief knowledge in Selenium Webdriver. Okay, and now we will in the further videos we'll cover like what kind of framework we going to develop. Okay, in the I will cover all the end-to-end functionality in a one framework. Okay, so in this framework we will cover that our TestNG. Okay, I just writing all the things. Okay, framework, testing framework using Selenium. So in this framework we'll cover TestNG. Okay, first we'll go to the Maven. Okay, Maven is the like the folder structure. Okay, is a it's called also called as project management tool. Okay, if we can try like structure all our framework. Okay, so then TestNG it's a tool. Okay, that we can prioritize our test cases. Okay, so we also cover Cucumber. Okay, so these are that this particular frameworks we will cover on the future videos. Okay, so first we will learn that what the basic Java. Okay, after that then we will move further for this, slowly move further for the next upcoming videos. Okay, so I just give a just like agenda what we will cover in the next videos. Okay, using framework. Okay, so this is also a framework. Okay, Cucumber also a framework using Jerkin language. Okay, so this is a very popular like tool framework that is uh, uh, most of the companies use. Okay, nowadays most demanding like framework is Cucumber only. Okay, so we will cover this particular also. Okay, so first we'll go for that what the Java concept. Okay, what is the Java basic Java will go. Okay, so basic Java for Selenium. Okay, I will share this document also guys in the end of the video. Okay, that we can refer. Okay, so for the basic Java, okay, as we already discussed, we need to go for the interface details and interface. What is interface? Example interface, how in the real time we are using this particular this all the concept in our project. Okay, we'll build up all the frameworks in the details. Okay, then we go for the inheritance. Okay, inheritance. Okay, then in the inheritance we'll cover like uh, method overloading, overriding. Okay, all the concept we will cover here. Method overloading. Okay, method overriding, and like polymerism. Okay, okay, so all this, so we just cover this particular two concept today. Okay, what is what interface and interface and inheritance. Okay, and how method overloading, overriding will be we are using in our framework. Okay, then we'll go further because these are the most usable concept in our in WebDriver only. Okay, so and then also we will cover here one basic things, the object. Okay, how we are creating object. Okay, also we just go through that what is class. Okay, so this is the basic things that we cover today. Okay, so first, what is interface? Okay, interface is basic is nothing but it is a it is a only signature. Okay, it's only signature. It's signature. Okay, signature without method body. Okay, so suppose we are creating a we are creating an interface. Okay, in an interface, so in the interface there is no method body. Okay, suppose I just creating an interface called public. Okay, in the interface I suppose creating one method called public okay, login. Okay, so on here I just simply creating this particular signature. Okay, without method body. Okay, but in the normal classes what we have in the, suppose if you are going a normal class. Okay, normal methods which is non-abstract. Okay, so also we cover here that what is the difference between abstract method and interface. Okay, these all are guys interview question. Okay, in the basic interview Selenium Java question, these all questions will come. They will definitely ask the basis question. Okay, so you also prepare for this also. Okay, abstract class and interface. Okay, so this is called an interface. That in a normal class, suppose I am in the normal class, we have some method called public void. Okay, login. Okay, in this case, this is a case of class. Okay, in the class. Okay, we have some methods called this type of class. Okay, this is a methods called, this is the signature. Okay, and this is the method body. Okay, this is a called method body. So here we are writing our whatever logic we have. Suppose I am just system dot property. Okay, system dot sys out. Okay, println. Okay, okay. So here we are printing whatever we have required. Okay, so this in here we are printing, like we are writing the logic. Okay, but in case of interface there is no such like method board, only the signature will be there. Okay, this is called as interface. Okay, so this class is called as abstract class. Okay, this is abstract method. Okay, this is called as abstract method. Okay, and this type of methods, this type of methods called as non-abstract method. Okay, so interface is following the abstraction. Okay, it's following the concept of abstraction. So it's also called as 100% abstraction. Okay, and the abstract class. Okay, so in abstract class, okay, one also class is called as abstract class. Okay, I just covering that here also, because these are all related to your interview questions, most important interview questions they may ask. Okay, abstract class. Okay, in abstract class, what we have? Okay, what is it? What, how is it? Why it is called the abstract class? Okay, in abstract class, okay, we have both like abstract and non-abstract method. Okay, suppose public void, okay, employee login. Okay, emp login. Okay, this is an method. Okay, so here it's only, this is only abstract method. Okay, which is also, which type of method only using interface. Okay, okay, only interface. Here we have already covered this here. Okay, and also this have the non-abstract method. Like in abstract class we have both abstract and non-abstract methods. Okay, and here if I have one more method called as employer login. Okay, employer login, this is employee login. Okay, so here it's of the method body. Okay, system printout. Okay, println, we will just system.out.println, will just whatever method, I just giving example for this. Okay, whatever logic we will. Okay, so here we will write our own logic. Okay, we have the method body. Okay, so it is called as, this type of method is called as non-abstract method. Okay, non-abstract, this is only abstract method. Okay, so abstract method, abstract class is also known as partial abstraction. Okay. Okay, so this is the most important interview question. They will ask that what is the difference between abstract class and interface. Okay, so interface is the 100% abstraction and abstract class is the partial abstraction, because in the in abstract class it have both abstract and non-abstract method. Okay, so we cover interface. Okay, then we will come into the inheritance. What is inheritance? Okay, so inheritance. Okay, in inheritance in inheritance we have the concept of parent and child class. Okay, so what is the concept of parent and child class? Child will take or call the properties of parent using extend keyword. Okay, extends keyword. Okay, but in interface, okay, interface, suppose we have two interface and we are just we have just I means suppose we have one class. Okay, and in one class we just taking that the logic of that particular method of interface. So it is called so the keyword will be called as implements. Okay, we'll cover in the next videos. Okay, I just give a short description on it. Implements. So these are the keyword. Okay, okay, implements. Okay, and here extends. Okay, these are the keyword. Okay, so suppose we have a class called as class A. Okay, and one more class is class B. Okay, and class A have some method called as AB method. Okay, BB method. Okay, so these are the methods. Okay, and I need to call all these method in class B. Okay, so there are many ways to call. Okay, so suppose the simple way I just here we will cover that the concept of object. Okay, what is object? I just try to understand it. Okay, so to call this particular these two methods. Okay, just giving you these are the methods. Okay, these are two methods. Okay, of class A. Okay, so I want to call these two methods in class B. Okay, so let's see guys how we can create an object and call it. Okay, so to call these methods in class B, we have to create an object of class A in class B. Okay, so let's see how we can create a method. Okay, so there is syntax. Okay, to create an object. Okay, so the syntax is like syntax of create an object. Okay, so the syntax is like class name. Okay, your variable name equal to new, just okay, new, then class name, then parenthesis and semicolon. Okay, so this is a basic syntax of create an object. Okay, in our case we have to create an object of class A in class B. Okay, so in class B what you have to do, I just writing here below. Okay, so here we need to create an object. Okay, of class A. Okay, so how we can create an object? That's the same syntax we will follow. Okay, so we have to just class name should be continuous manner. Okay, without any space. Okay, so the syntax is like class A is equal to class A, then variable name vr. Okay, then new dot class A. Okay, then parenthesis. So these all thing we will also cover in our in the ID also. Okay, in later I will show you how we can implement in all the things in our Eclipse. Okay, in the Eclipse then you will the clear picture will come. Okay, so these are the normal blueprint how we are creating the normal object. Okay, so after here when we using the variable so after the syntax we just have to just do one thing. You have to just write the variable name then dot. Okay, so the first when we will click on just write dot, okay, we can see these two particular method here. Okay, so this way guys we are creating object. Okay, class name, variable name, then new, then okay, this is the normal syntax of create an object. So all here in our Selenium, we are doing the same thing only. Okay, what we are normally doing in Selenium, we are using the same concept. Okay, we just what we are doing, Webdriver. This is a normal code, guys. Where we are what we have to do in the next whatever practice. Okay, this will be normal syntax. Okay, Webdriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, okay. So this is the basic things we need to do. Here also we are creating an object. Okay, this is a variable and this is a new object. This whole things will be called as new object. Okay, and this is the interface. Okay, okay. So we'll come to that. This is a one way that how we can means using this particular object, creating an object. Okay, so this is for that like your parent class. Okay, this is parent class. Okay, and this is also parent class, but using this extend keywords. Okay, and in the next level what we are doing we will to do, so using extend keyword I just try to explain you how we are creating an object. Okay, so suppose in class B, okay, here class B I will do that extends. Okay, extends class A. Okay, okay, class A. Okay, then here we are again creating one method search. Suppose public void, okay, pr1. Okay, this is a method. And what we are doing now here, we are just creating an object. Okay, so it's already extend. Okay, so suppose we're just creating an object of it's already there. Okay, so here what we are doing, we just creating the same things. Okay, br2 then equal to class A. Okay, so this class A will be here only. Okay, and class B, then to put that new keyword here. Okay, new. Okay, so what will we do here? Suppose we have in class B, suppose we have two more methods, public void pr2. Okay, pr2 and pr3. Okay, and after we creating this object here, okay, here, and when we will After the variable we will press dot. Okay, here what we can see all these three methods. Okay, pr1, pr2, pr3, and also the previous method what we will create in here, this will also display here. Okay, previously what happened here, if we just create an object of this class, it will show these two method only. Okay, but here we can see all methods because it's already extend to class B. Class B already extend to class A. Okay, so this is the using of interface in our Selenium. Okay, so here all these concepts are like that only. We are creating object, all the means inbuilt functions are there. Okay, so in Selenium what methods we have. Okay, I just giving a short example, it will cover later. Okay, Selenium methods. Okay, first the get method. Okay, that is for opening browsers. Okay, then send keys for enter text in entry field. Okay, then click that to click any buttons. Okay, also one method called close. Okay, to close the current window of browser. Okay, so all these methods are is already in WebDriver. Okay, we have to just simply what we are doing, we have to do, we have to only create this particular like normal syntax call. We have to create an object. Okay, WebDriver driver. Okay, just writing it again for your just understanding purpose. WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver, Pico driver, or if you are using the Mac machine, you also like create an object of what Safari driver. Okay, Chrome driver. Okay, and when you just what you have to do to call this all this method here, you have to just write driver then dot. Okay, so after clicking the dot, all this method will come here. Okay, and you can just access on it. Okay, if you suppose you have to just if you like get. Okay, when you go for the get. Okay, and give your all like your suppose and the in get you have to just mention your URL, suppose google.com. Okay, then this particular page will come, it will launch, it will first here we have to launch the browser and all. Okay, so all lots of things we will cover, we have to just write because these are the normal example. Okay, before that we have to set the property. Okay, but have to just to just tell the driver that where the your Chrome driver is there. Okay, the path and all the things will be set, but this is the normal blueprint. Okay, what how we are using our oops concept in our WebDriver. Okay, this particular oops concept. Okay, in interface inheritance. Okay, how we are creating object, what are the class. Okay, difference between abstract class. So all the things, all these things is already implemented in WebDriver. Okay, we are just following that particular logic and we are just creating an object and call these methods and we are handling that our browser. Okay, whatever the browser we have, suppose it may be Chrome, Edge, okay, or Safari. Okay, so these are the normal things how we can create an object and handles our web pages. Okay, so in the next video guys, we will go further like your the normal Selenium, okay, and TestNG. Okay, we're starting the normal. We're creating one in that particular Eclipse where we are just creating a new project, and I will try to explain how the use concept will be implemented. Okay, and also we'll just go for the TestNG. Okay, so TestNG is the backbone of Selenium. Okay, in the TestNG also we are creating all the test cases. Whatever your manual test case, so we can write the logic. Means we will go for the manual test case and we'll write the convert into the automation script. Okay, we'll cover all that in the next videos, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and keep practicing. Okay, after once you have the better knowledge and practicing well only, you will go for the next video. Okay, just practice on that, and if you have any doubt, you can just comment in this particular video only. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.